Hi friends, if you are interested in electronics, working in the field of electronics, or electronics hobbyist, then this video is for you. Stay tuned. Today I want to introduce to you a handy device for testing LEDs, current ranging from 2 mA to 150 mA. Simply plug your LED into the correct holes and push the button to test its brightness and illuminant color. The top row is for testing 2-pin LEDs with current ranging 2 mA to 30 mA. The bottom row is for testing 4-pin LEDs, current ranging from 20 mA to 150 mA. It's made of high quality plastic and powered by 9-volt battery. This handy LED testing device is easy to use and it's the need of every person working in the field of electronics. If you want to buy it online, the link is in the description. Thanks for watching.